Assalamu alaikum everyone. How to prepare 0.1 molar NaOH solution. First of all, what is the formula of molarity? Molarity is equal to given mass divided by the molecular mass multiplied by volume. Next one is the given data like molarity. Molarity is equal to 0.1 molar, molecular mass is 40 gram, volume is 100 ml. Volume is converted into decimeter cube, so it is divided 1000. Next, rearrange the formula like given mass is equal to molarity multiplied by molecular mass multiplied by volume. Then it put the values. So putting the values like molarity is 0.1 molar, molecular mass is 40 gram, volume is 0.1 decimeter cube. जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 0.4 ग्राम NaOH अमाउंट हमारे पास आ जाएगी. सबसे पहले हम लोगों ने कैलकुलेशन करनी है. Firstly, then start the practical work. First of all, weight the 0.4 gram of NaOH. First of all 0.4 gram NaOH का weight करेंगे. Then secondly, then fill up the water up to the mark of the measuring flask and add the 0.4 gram of NaOH into the measuring flask and then shake it and 1 molar solution is prepared. Thank you and subscribe my YouTube channel.